Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Mishra here. On behalf of BPM Geek, I would like to show you how to develop and deploy a simple BizLogic application. The agenda for the discussion would be how to create a simple two-step application with process, data slot, work steps and performance, how to deploy the application on server, how to use the application. So let's get started. As part of the exercise, we will be using the Savvion BPM Studio. This is a standard installation available out of the box once you purchase a Savvion Business Manager license. You need to go to File, New. If you don't see it listed here, you will need to go to Other. Under Progress Savvion, you would see BPM Studio. Choose a BPM project. Now in one of the other sessions, we'll also talk about what is a web application project. Click Next. Provide a name to the project. My first application. Now when this step finishes, it's going to create a workspace for you where you can start and add your other artifacts. Okay. Now the screen that you are currently seeing allows you to add a few shapes. So let's click on Draw Shapes. We will put a start activity, another activity, one more, and then a simple stop step. Let's suppose you want to build a simple application which asks the user what is his first name and last name. There will be a automatic activity which is going to append the last name to first name, and then a final activity which shows the user the appended name. Let's give the names to our work steps. We'll call it append names. We'll call this show full name. Let's connect these shapes. Click on Connect Shapes. Draw normal flow connectors. Start to the first step, first to second, and then finally last. Now let's define the performers for these activities. We will go to Performers tab. You see a default performer is available to you called User. Click on New, User. Now this could be an individual user or a group of users. It is always advisable to use a data slot rather than providing a name directly. So we'll say use a data slot. Let's create one. We'll call it full name performer. We'll be talking about data slots in a minute. Okay. Let's come back here. Always remember the person who starts the activity is called a creator. Now we will go to assign participants, users, process. You see our full name performer is available here. Just drag and drop it here. So this becomes a human centric activity. Now for append names we would be creating an adapter. For it, let's go to an adapter, go to custom, click on new adapter, drag and drop it here. It's going to ask you what is the name of the adapter. We'll call it append names. There will be a class associated with it. Let's say we give it the name of com.bpmgeek.post.name appender. And let's give it a method called, let's say, do something. If you put a tick of generate Java code, that's going to write this stuff for you automatically. Okay.